Here we go, guys. This is the last, those are the last two teams, the Texans and Niners in this one. Get your guesses in. This is Contenders Football 2021. First off the line, PYT 159. We got 5 autos per box, 18 packs, 6 cards per pack. This is the first off the line box right there. Good luck to everybody in this one. Empty box. 21 Contenders. First off the line. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Get that big Mac Jones 101. Let's see if we can top that in this one. Tua. We got Chase Claypool, Carson Wentz, Terry McLaurin. So first off the line, the red parallel, season ticket, chain mover Zeke Elliott. Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Rob Gronkowski, Allen Robinson. Ooh, we got the ink auto of Kyle Juszczyk. That is out of 99. Contenders ink. 60 out of 99 going to the Niners. Former 49er fullback Kyle Juszczyk. MVP Contenders there is Aaron Donald. We had the Niners and the Texans were available, so Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins, Baker Mayfield, playoff ticket of Mark Brunell. Kenny Golladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Patrick Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, chain movers Marshall Faulk. Next pack. We have Justin Jefferson, Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devonta Adams, Josh Jacobs, and Warren Moon. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in this one for 20 credit. We have Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo. And we have Trey Lance. That's an on-card Rookie of the Year, Trey Lance. It's out of 25. Another big one back in 21. 14 out of 25 Rookie of the Year, Trey Lance auto. The Niners spot. Andrew Whitworth. Laviska Shenault. Matt Ryan. Mike Gesicki. T. Higgins. Marcus May. Rookie of the Year, Nico Collins. Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones, Von Miller, and we have power players Clinton Portis for the Commanders. Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, Devonta Parker, and Simi Fehoko. First off the line auto right there. Again, guys, we have spots left in Luminance and our 21 Allen Ginter. If anybody wants to grab them, use the link in the chat. Simi Fehoko. And we got a round numbers. The Giants and the Ravens. This one, I assume that will be a random. We'll do the top, bottom random on that. And we have Joe Burrow, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Supernatural, Patrick Mahomes. Taysom Hill, Jerry Jeudy, DK Metcalf, DJ Shark, DeAndre Hopkins, and that is Justin Herbert. Amari Cooper, Justin Herbert, Mark Andrews, Nelson Aguilar, Dak Prescott, Rookie of the Year, Javonte Williams. Next pack. Ben Roethlisberger, Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown, Matthew Stafford, Tre'Davious White, Gladiators of Dalvin Cook. About 5 packs left. Should have 1 or 2 autos left. 2 breaks left after this as well. There is Damian Harris, Mike Evans, Tyrone Matthew, Marquise Brown, Jason Pinnock on the rookie ticket for the Jets. And Ray Lewis on the legendary Contenders. Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Chain Movers of Russell Wilson. Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, Travis Kelce, round numbers, Terrace Marshall, Kyle Trask. Another one we'll random off. Do the top bottom on the round numbers. Last couple packs here, we got Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, and Dylan Stoner. It's going to be our auto out of 49, Dylan Stoner. 36 out of 49. David Montgomery, power players. And we hit the 101 Mac Jones from the last break. Trey Lance to 25 on card auto in this one. Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, and Rookie of the Year, Rondell Moore. So the round numbers, we'll do top, bottom. Top will be Bateman, Trask. Bottom will be Tony and Marshall for their respective teams. Up next as well, we are doing our 21 Allen Ginter baseball. Top, bottom, let's roll the dice. 2 and 3 for 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and our 5th and final time 5 times. The bottom teams. Bottom on here. Those bottom teams are the Carolina Panthers, Terrace Marshall, and the Giants and Kadarius Toney. And top load this. We had a Amari Cooper season ticket. We had out of 99 on the ink auto. That is Kyle Juszczyk. Trey Lance out of 25 on the Rookie of the Year contender. Simi Fihoko auto. Jason Pinnock and Dylan Stoner out of 49. That'll do it for this one. Up next is our 21 Allen Ginter Chrome, and then we have Luminance 2024 Luminance Football to end the night. Grab those last teams if any remain. We're going to update our title, update our list. one is full. Minutes might be full as well. We'll check before that break. Make sure you guys take your spots in tomorrow's breaks as well. We are back at 9 p.m. Central tomorrow with a full slate of breaks.